So hello everyone, what's up guys, this is Akshay here and let us continue with the next question. Today's question is the merge overlapping intervals as a continuation of our array playlist. So we've been given an intervals, some n intervals in the given array, we need to merge it, right? So what this question is saying is that first of all we have an interval from 1 to 3, then we have an interval from 2 to 6, another we have from 8 to 10, and then we have from 15 to 18, right? So clearly we can see that this interval is an overlapping interval, right? And we need to merge the starting and ending point. So this will be like this: the minimum of the starting points, that is 1, and the maximum of the ending points, that is 4. And since 8 and 10, 15 and 18 are not overlapping with any other intervals, so the final answer would be, this would be the first interval, this would be second non-overlapping, and this would be third non-overlapping. And that is what we have in this answer, right? So it is 2 to 6, right? So this 4 will also be 6. Okay. So first of all, the method 1 is that we compare each and every intervals with the other overlapping intervals, right? And that would give you a nested time complexity, that is O of n square and O of 1. Second one is we use the sorting technique and we sort the intervals according to the start time, right? When we do that, let's say this interval is already sorted in the according to the start time. You can see 1, 2, 8 and 15, right? So we will start from this one, interval 1 to 3, and we will check that just the next interval, right? So this is for I equals to 0, and we will start from I equals to 1, and I will see the ending point, or let's say the starting point, if it is lesser than my previous interval ending point. So what I said, that my current start time is lesser than my previous ending point, then definitely we can see that there is an overlap, right? 2 is less than 3. And what we can do in that case, we will just merge. We will take a new interval where the starting point would be the minimum of both of the starting point, that is current and the previous, that is 1. And the ending point would be the maximum of the current and the previous interval, that is 6. And that's what we get an overlap interval now as a single one. And similarly, we have to do for the rest of the cases as well. Now this would be our last interval, that is 1 to 6. Now I will check 8 to 10. Now my current pointer is here, and I will check my starting point. 8 is lesser than 6. It is not, right? So this would be a new non-overlapping interval, and similarly we'll keep on checking it. Okay, so please pause this video here and try to draw in some more test cases until you are fully satisfied. And once you are done with that, let's get ahead with the coding part. Okay, so that's the code in Java. Since we need a pair that takes 2 input, that is SNE. Just a second. So we have made a pair which implements comparable interface, and there is a method we need to override, that is compared to. So we pass 2 parameters SNE, we initialize it using the constructor, and we sort it according to the start time. Okay, now we declared a pair array of the same size length as given for the intervals array. Now we have pushed all the intervals into our pair, and then we have sorted the array, and then we are starting from I equals to 1, and then we are just checking if my current start time less than my previous end time, then merge it, right? And my new ending point would be the maximum of both ending points, that is current and previous, and the new start point would be the minimum of the previous and the current one. Else, if that's not the case, what we have seen when we were at this point 8, 10, it was not overlapping. So in that case, we just have to do result plus, so that is we have found a new non-overlapping interval, and you set that current non-overlapping interval as your current one. Okay, at last we just have to print all the non-overlapping intervals. So that's what we have made, and new array AL, and we're just pushing the intervals here. Great. Similarly, the code is present in C++ in the right hand side, and you just can tally it through, right? Okay, so that is it for this video. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep learning, bye-bye, and take care. If you like this content and the solution and the intuition of the problem mentioned above, do like, share, and subscribe and support our community. Till then, bye-bye.